I'm Jessica Hirsch, the founder of Cheat Day Eats. I'm a food photographer and member of the Sony Alpha Collective. Today, I'm going to be testing out 3 of Sony's new APS-C lenses. We have the Sony 10-20mm F4 G Master, the 15mm 1.4 G Master, and the 11mm 1.8 lens. I will be testing these lenses out on the Sony ZV-E10, and you will see me filming handheld as well as with a Bluetooth wireless grip that doubles as a tabletop tripod. We're going to start with the Sony 11mm 1.8 lens. I knew the perfect place to test out this ultra-wide angle prime lens, because if I had my typical setup, I would have had to get up on a chair just to capture both slices in one shot. Because of the wide field of view, I was able to get the lens super close to the pizza. As I move the camera back and forth across the slice, you can see the fast focus. And it almost feels like you're gliding over the cheese and the pasta. The details of the cheeseburger and fries are beautiful, helping me with my visual storytelling that yes, you need this pizza too. I also loved using this lens at home because when I added the camera to the tabletop tripod, I was able to capture the entire spread. And when I brought the food close to the lens, it focused on it so quickly, which allows everyone to see the details of the candy. I felt like this lens is a great addition to helping me capture content. Now let's switch to the Sony 10-20mm F4 G Master. Whether I'm out in New York City visiting restaurants or at home creating content, I want something that provides versatility, and this power zoom lens is compact and lightweight. The power zoom is also really smooth, and you can control it with the lens, camera, Bluetooth remote, or smartphone app, and the lens remains the same length as you zoom. I feel like this lens was perfect for capturing a wide table shot one moment, and then zooming in to focus on a single dish. You can also create this vertigo effect, also known as a dolly zoom, by zooming in and changing your direction, which is perfect for catching your viewer's attention to bring the focus to the main subject, like your candy. I feel like I was getting sharp images and videos at all the focal lengths. This was a great lens. And last but not least, we're switching to the Sony 15mm 1.4 G Master lens. I was really impressed with this wide angle prime lens. Like the others, it is lightweight and sharp, and with the 1.4 aperture, you're gonna get beautiful bokeh. I also felt like the autofocus was so fast, I would move the camera around and it never lost focus, which is super important whether I'm filming in the kitchen or with a fast moving chef. This lens also features an aperture ring with a D-click switch, so you can choose if you want it to rotate smoothly. I love this feature because it helped me easily capture this beautiful candy with a shallow or deep depth of field within seconds. One thing to note is these are APS-C lenses, so you will have a 1.5 crop factor. All 3 of these lenses are a great value, and given their size and their weight, they are convenient and perfect for any vlogger or content creator. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and let me know which lens or lenses you would choose.